Fold and unfold each corner into one another and lay flat. Turn the tree over and fold and unfold in half along the parallel sides and lay flat. With the blank side facing you, orientate as a diamond. Pull the right and left points to the point at the bottom. The top point should naturally pull down towards the bottom and lay flat. Fold each leaf in half into the centre and then turn over and repeat. Trim off the bottom to create the flat base of the tree. Next, unfold each leaf and invert each one. With scissors, make 3 small cuts of about 5 to 10 millimeters along the marked areas. Separate each leaf, then fold into a point beneath each cut. Fan out each leaf and your tree is finished. There are 4 designs for you to choose from our website, and we hope you enjoy making them. Happy Christmas from all at David Charles.